Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Remitly to bank account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Remitly app or website. Log into your account using your credentials. Select the send money option from the main menu. Choose the recipient from your contact list or add a new one. Select the amount you wish to withdraw. Choose bank account as your delivery option. Enter your bank account details if it's not already saved. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Click on Continue to proceed to the next step. Select your payment method for the transaction. If prompted, verify your identity through any security measures. Review the final details on the confirmation screen. Confirm the transaction by clicking on Send. You will receive a notification that your transaction is being processed. Wait for the transaction to complete, which may take a few minutes to a few days. Monitor your bank account for the deposit to appear. Congratulations, you have successfully withdrawn funds using Remitly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.